First time lang.
I will tackle you about the rules of gun safety, the proper way of shooting, the 5 steps on how to shoot properly. Number 1 is consider every gun loaded. Every time you travel from the office to your house, kailangan kini-clear up natin yung baril natin. Even na hindi tayo naglo-load ng bala sa chamber, we have to check. Always check. Okay po. Baka may nagloko, kinasa, niload. So, be sure na walang magazine. Tapos, kailangan i-check mo yung chamber. Paano po ang pag-check ng chamber? Hindi basta siya kinakasa. Kasi baka mamaya sira yung ejector, hindi mag-e-eject yung bala. So, ang the best na gagawin mo, titingnan mo yung loob ng chamber. But see to it na wala po yung magazine. So, titingnan yung loob ng chamber, then kakalabitin mo dun sa clear na area. So, from time to time, you have to check. Ganun po ang ginagawa natin. Since you are here in firing range, kailangan ginagawa rin natin. Meron tayong tinatawag na safety area. Or, kailangan lagi kang nakatutok sa downrange. Okay po. We have downrange and we have uprange. Downrange kung saan naroon yung target, and uprange kung saan naroon yung mga nanonood. Okay po.
Sa nandun ng gas range.
Okay po. So, number 2 is, never let the muzzle of a gun point at anything you're not willing to shoot or to fire. So, this is the muzzle of the gun. Always pointing downrange. Do not point to any direction, only the target. Kung wala tayong holster, kailangan naka 45 degrees lang. Hindi doon, hindi dito. So, kailangan nasa harapan pa rin. Okay. Number 3 is, always finger off the trigger guard. If you're ready to shoot, saka mo lang ilalagay yung finger mo sa loob to fire. Okay. Kasi may mga beginner tayo na hindi alam yung ginagawa. Hindi naman yung out of mind lang sila. Pag ikinasal nila yung baril, naka-finger in, pumuputok na siya. Yun. Sa sobrang gigil po. So, hindi nalalaman yun ng beginner. Ang alam niya, basta ikinasal niya, naka-finger in, yun, pumuputok siya. So, kailangan finger out lagi. Every time na hindi tayo puputok. Number 4 is, kailangan alam natin na sa paligid natin kung saan naroon yung target para maiwasan yung aksidente. So, that is the 4 rules of gun safety. Be sure of your target and what is around it. Yun po yun. So, we have 5 steps on how to shoot. Number 1 is proper grip. The one who control your pistol is your weak hand, weak side, not the strong side. Kasi pag kinontrol natin ng 70% yung baril sa strong hand, it will cause jerk kasi magti-trigger freeze ka. This is the proper way. Hindi po ganon, magkokos ng jam. So, proper grip. Number 2 is proper squeezing. Lahat ng klase ng baril, lahat ng gatilyo, meron tinatawag na clearance. The other term is slack. So, you have to get first the slack. Yun, sir. Mararamdaman nyo yung slack. You get first the slack before you continue full the trigger. Okay. Number 3 is proper sight alignment or sight picture. Kaya hindi tayo tumatama a distance of 3 meters kasi tumitingin tayo directly sa target. Hindi natin alam yung sight alignment ng ating baril kung saan-saan lang pala nakatutok. Like for example, pag itinutok mo siya sa target, inuna mong tingnan yung target, siyempre bababa. Ang reaction ng baril, bababa siya. Kaya hindi tayo tumatama. So the proper way is, you look first the rear sight, front sight, then target. Do not directly titingin ka sa target. Okay? The number 4 is proper stand. Proper stand in the way of, ito po yun. A little bit forward yung weak side mo, then yung strong hand. As is. Kasi pag tayo nakapantay, pag pumutok tayo ng malakas ang baril, pwede tayong matumba. Ito naman, awkward position ito, sir. Pwede mong i-target sa right side mo, pero yung left side mo, awkward ka. So ito, lahat ng angle, pwede mo siyang putukan. So number 5 is proper breathing. To release yung ating kaba. Kasi hindi maiwasan, pag tayo beginner, kinakabahan tayo. So to release that, inhale, mag-inhale tayo, exhale. Hold your breath, get a slack, then fire.
La